Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here. Welcome back to the channel for a super quick update on GalaGames. I'm going to try and update a lot of altcoins in the next 24 hours or so, coming into the next FOMC meeting, letting you know where I think they're going to be moving to. So this will just be a quick form video. Let's dive right into this. So starting off on the weekly time frame for GalaGames, one major thing that we've been talking about playing out is the fact that on the weekly, as you can see, Gala has reverted right up to this POC, point of control. This is where the most amount of volume and liquidity was provided in this market round about this big range here, and you can see we are currently just falling beneath this major cluster right now, and it looks like Gala is about to head down very quickly, just like we've been predicting in our previous videos. We are down about 5% on the daily time frame. Altcoins are getting decimated in the past couple of weeks, and specifically today things are not looking too good. If we do clear up the chart, you can also see we're getting a major rejection down from the EMA ribbons. We're getting a major rejection down from the bull market support bands. And right now, what's developing in this chart looks a lot like a BART pattern. So if we clear up what's happening right now, this is one thing we've been talking about for Gala. We obviously had, since the lows were put down here at 1.5 cent, we had a parabolic run to the upside, and we've been developing this spiky top in the markets, and it's looking like we're about to rush to the downside any second right now. Let's come over to the daily time frame and see if there is a specific way I can draw this. So down here, you can see there's a brutal trend line right here. It looks like a absolutely massive M pattern is currently developing for GalaGames. Now, if we take the price target of this M pattern and look at the breakdown, this could be taking us down into new bear market lows, around about 1.4 cent, taking us beneath the BART pattern. So this higher time frame chart, really looking at what's going on right here, things are not looking too good. You can also see Gala's still trading between these two major Fibonacci's, which we have been discussing on the channel. If we do draw our most recent swing high down to our swing low, we obviously reverted back into that golden ratio a few weeks ago, came up to the 618, and since then we've taken out the 618, the 0.5, the 382, and this week we've opened beneath, we've opened on the 236, and we've broken to the downside of it. So it's looking like Gala is setting up for a major move back down. So really, we've got about 48 hours until the next FOMC meeting, and I think Gala is going to be trading just above / around 3.4 cents. So I don't foresee too much movement down in the next 48 hours or so, maybe about another 8% move. But then if we do have the 25 basis points come out, which I will be making a specific FOMC focused video on, then GalaGames could absolutely rocket down to this next Fibonacci, the 786. So if we're looking at this, this would be about a 30% move down to 2.5 cent. And at which point, as we looked at in the previous chart, you know, if we come down to here, 2.5 cent, what's this going to look like? A parabolic run up, a spiky top, and then a move very quickly back down. Where do you think we'll be getting continuation to at that point? Well, it's very likely that we get further continuation all the way back down to the lows at 1.5 cent, fulfilling this beautiful BART pattern price target. So there's a lot to digest in the charts right now coming into the next FOMC, but really your last line in the sand before that next parabola to the downside is 3.4 cents. So that's really what I wanted to focus on. I wanted to let you know that in the next coming weeks or so, I think we're heading down to 2.5 cent. Our bear market price targets are obviously this macro 1.618 Fibonacci, also a psychological level 1 cent. We have been calling for Gala to come down to 1 cent for a long time. There's also a lot of listing prices right around 1 cent on major exchanges, so there's definitely going to be a lot of trap liquidity, a lot of people looking to pick up GalaGames for the next bull run, round about 1 cent. This is the magnet zone in which in the immediate, I say in the immediate short term, in the next coming month or two, I think we could be heading down to here. In the higher time frames, we've been discussing things like these WXY double free structures, where we've had ABCs forming wave W, we've had an ABC forming wave X, and quite recently we had a brutal wave down to wave A at 1.5 cent. We had a dead cat bounce up to wave B. We didn't exceed this wave C, so we've still got this beautiful potential A, B, C, which could be taking GalaGames into new bear market lows around about that 1 cent. So Like I said, I do want to update quite a few altcoins in the next few days or so, so this is just going to be a quick fire video. A lot of my GalaGames videos are much more in depth than this, you know, 10, 11 minute videos, If we scroll back further, 9-minute videos on GalaGames. If we scroll back further, 10-minute videos on GalaGames, 8-minute videos. To be fair, sometimes 5-minute, 4-minute videos. So to be fair, this might actually line up with a lot of our previous videos. I just wanted to dive into this and let you know things are not looking good for GalaGames. Wanted to let you know my price targets. And also, as this video is so short, I will just quickly show you that Bitcoin has just flipped this major area, which was previous support all throughout the distribution phase at the top of the bull run. It's reverted back into this, and we are breaking beneath this at this moment in time. Things are not looking good for Bitcoin, and things are not looking good for altcoins. With that being said, my friends, GalaGames expected to trade around about 3.4 cents ahead of the FOMC meeting, and if we do break down after getting 25 basis points on the FOMC, expect 2.5 cents to come very quickly. Expect 1.5 cents to be a few weeks away around the corner, and then expect 1 cent to be coming probably in the next month or two. So for today, my friends, that's all I've got for GalaGames. If you do enjoy these quick fire updates on altcoins, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment. Share the videos with your friends. If you want to further support the channel, feel free to click the join button and become a member today. Follow me over on Twitter at 618_cowboy. That's all I've got for today. It's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.